Thread Garden, Ooty. A floral tapestry unveiled. Discover nature's needlework. Embark on a journey through the enchanting thread garden in Ooty, a unique haven of floral artistry crafted entirely from thread. Join us as we explore the intricacies of this living tapestry, discover how to reach this floral wonder, and uncover the best time to witness its vibrant bloom. Thread Garden, situated in the heart of Ooty, is a testament to artistic innovation, where skilled hands have woven a breathtaking garden entirely from colorful threads. How to reach Thread Garden. Getting to Thread Garden is a straightforward endeavor. By road. Ooty is well connected by road, and once in the town, taxis or auto-rickshaws can easily take you to Thread Garden. On foot. For those exploring Ooty on foot, Thread Garden is conveniently located near the Ooty Lake, making it a pleasant walk from the town center. Best timing to visit. The beauty of Thread Garden unfolds throughout the year, but certain times enhance the experience. Spring. March to May. Witness a burst of vibrant colors as the floral exhibits are in full bloom during the spring season. Early morning. Beat the crowds and enjoy the tranquil ambience by visiting in the early morning when the garden opens.